Are you glued to your screen, constantly scrolling through endless feeds, unable to put your phone down? Well, you're not alone. Social media addiction is a real problem, and it's taking over our lives, one notification at a time. But what if I told you that breaking free is not only possible, but easier than you think? In this video, we'll explore practical, easy-to-follow steps to help you break free from social media addiction once and for all. Let's dive in. Understanding social media addiction. First, let's understand what social media addiction is. It's more than just using apps like Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. It's the constant urge to check your notifications, scroll through your feed, and compare your life with others. This habit can consume hours of your day, disrupt your sleep, affect your mood, and even impact your real-life relationships. It's like being stuck in a never-ending cycle, always looking for the next post, like, or comment. Social media addiction works like any other addiction by triggering the release of dopamine in your brain, the same chemical released when you eat your favorite food or play your favorite game. It feels good, so you keep coming back for more. But too much of it can lead to anxiety, depression, and a feeling of disconnect from the real world. Number 1. Recognize the signs of addiction. The first step to breaking free is recognizing the signs of addiction. Ask yourself, do you feel restless or anxious when you can't check your phone? Are you constantly checking social media, even during meals, conversations, or right before bed? Do you feel a sense of jealousy or inadequacy when scrolling through other people's posts? Is your screen time taking away from activities you once enjoyed, like reading, exercising, or spending time with friends and family? If you answered yes to most of these, it's time to take control. Number 2. Set clear goals. Breaking an addiction starts with setting clear, realistic goals. Instead of quitting cold turkey, start by reducing your screen time little by little. Set specific goals, like no social media before breakfast or limiting yourself to 30 minutes a day. Use your phone's screen time settings to track your progress and set daily limits. Celebrate small wins. Each step you take is progress. Number 3. Turn off notifications. Notifications are like tiny digital temptations that lure you back into the app. Every ping, buzz, or pop-up is designed to grab your attention. To fight this, turn off notifications for all your social media apps. You'll be amazed at how much less you feel the need to check your phone when it's not constantly calling out to you. Out of sight, out of mind. Number 4. Create no-phone zones. Create physical boundaries by designating certain places and times where social media is off limits. For example, make your bedroom, dinner table, or study area a no-phone zone. This not only reduces your screen time, but also helps you stay present in the moment. Enjoy your meals without distractions, get a good night's sleep without the glow of your screen, and focus better on your tasks without constant interruptions. Number 5. Find alternative activities. Social media often fills the gaps in our day when we're bored or have nothing else to do. To break this habit, find alternative activities that you enjoy. Pick up a hobby you've been wanting to try, like drawing, cooking, or playing a musical instrument. Spend more time outside, read a book, or get moving with some exercise. The more you fill your day with meaningful activities, the less time you'll have to waste on social media. Number 6. Set a digital curfew. A digital curfew means setting a specific time each night when you completely disconnect from screens. This not only includes social media, but all electronic devices like phones, tablets, and computers. For example, you could set a curfew at 9 p.m. and use the time before bed to relax, read, or do a calming activity. Having a digital curfew helps improve your sleep quality, reduces stress, and allows your mind to unwind. Sticking to a consistent curfew can also create a healthier routine, making you less dependent on screens and more in tune with the real world. Number 7. Be mindful of your emotions. Often, we turn to social media when we're feeling bored, lonely, or stressed. Be mindful of your emotions and notice when and why you're reaching for your phone. Instead of mindlessly scrolling to escape, try addressing those feelings directly. Call a friend, write in a journal, or take a walk to clear your mind. Being aware of your emotions can help you break the cycle of turning to social media for comfort. Number 8. Connect with people in real life. Social media makes us feel connected, but it's no substitute for real face-to-face interactions. Make an effort to connect with people in real life. Arrange to meet friends, spend time with family, or join a club or community group. These real connections are far more fulfilling and can help reduce the urge to seek validation through likes and comments online. Number 9. Unfollow and declutter. Your social media feed should be a space that adds value to your life, not one that drains your energy or makes you feel negative. Take time to declutter by unfollowing accounts that promote negativity, unrealistic comparisons, or stress. Follow only those who inspire, educate, or bring you joy. This not only cleans up your feed, but also reduces the amount of time spent aimlessly scrolling. A curated feed can help you feel more positive, making social media a tool for good rather than a source of addiction. Remember, you control your feed, not the other way around. Number 10. Seek professional help if needed. If your social media use feels unmanageable despite your best efforts, seeking professional help is a smart choice. Therapists and counselors are trained to help with all types of addictions, including digital ones. They can provide personalized strategies, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, to address the root causes of your addiction and help you regain control. There's no shame in asking for support. It's a proactive step towards improving your mental health and overall well-being. Remember, breaking any addiction is a journey, and getting professional guidance can make that path a lot clearer and more manageable. Breaking free from social media addiction isn't about cutting it out completely, but finding a healthy balance that works for you. It's about reclaiming your time, focusing on real-life connections, and living more mindfully. Remember, every small step counts. So, why not start today? Turn off those notifications, set a goal, and take back control of your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Let's help each other break free from social media addiction, one step at a time.